Voestalpine Böhler Welding is a manufacturer of premium filler metals. It operates within Voestalpine, Austria's largest steel producer and a globally leading supplier of specialized steel products. This also makes us part of a worldwide network of metallurgical experts. As a result, our customers benefit from comprehensive welding and steel expertise from a single source, coordinated complete solutions comprised of steel and welding filler metals, a partner offering maximum economic stability and technological expertise. We provide efficiency and first-rate customer service in 3 areas of competence and through 3 brands. Böhler Welding is your #1 partner for more than 2,000 products for joint welding in all conventional arc welding processes and a range of personal application consultancy services. UTP Maintenance is the expert in the areas of repair as well as wear and surface protection, combined with innovative and custom-tailored products. Fontagen Brazing provides the best brazing and soldering solutions through deep insight into processing methods based on proven products with German technology. Oil and gas, pipelines, chemicals, power generation, automotive and transportation. We provide solutions for various demanding high-tech sectors. With our industry experts and application engineers serving you as competent partners and with products attuned precisely to industry-specific requirements, we stand for the best possible welding result, even under the toughest conditions. With 40 own branch locations and over 1,000 selected distributors, we serve